Are you an aspiring blues guitarist struggling to create memorable riffs that captivate audiences? Do you find yourself stuck in a creative rut, unsure of how to take your guitar playing to the next level? Look no further. In this article, we will unveil the secrets behind writing unforgettable blues guitar riffs. By following these 5 simple steps, you'll be able to craft captivating melodies that leave a lasting impression on your listeners. Step 1. Understand the blues. To write compelling blues guitar riffs, it is crucial to have a deep understanding of the genre's roots and characteristics. The blues is all about expressing raw emotions and telling stories through music. It conveys feelings of sadness, longing, joy, and resilience. Dive into the history of blues music and familiarize yourself with its distinctive chord progressions and scales such as the 12 bars blues structure or the pentatonic scale. Step 2. Develop your ear for melody. A great riff starts with a catchy melody that hooks listeners from the first note. Train your ear by listening attentively to iconic blues guitarists like B.B. King, Stevie Ray Vaughan, or Eric Clapton. Pay close attention not only to their technical skills but also how they construct melodies within their solos or rhythm parts. Analyze their phrasing techniques and try incorporating similar elements into your own playing. Step 3. Experiment with chord progressions. Chord progressions form the backbone of any great riff. Start by experimenting with classic blues progressions like IIVV, E.g., ADE, or variations thereon. These progressions provide a solid foundation for creating memorable melodies over them. However, don't limit yourself solely to traditional structures. Feel free to explore unique chord voicings or substitute chords that add a fresh twist to your riffs. This experimentation will help you develop your own signature sound and stand out from the crowd. Step 4. Master techniques and articulation. To make your blues guitar riffs truly shine, it's essential to master various techniques and articulations that add flavor and dynamics to your playing. Techniques such as bending, vibrato, slides, hammer-ons, and pull-offs can inject emotion into each note you play. Experiment with different combinations of these techniques to create distinctive phrases within your riffs. Remember that articulation is equally important. Vary the attack on each note by using techniques like palm muting or staccato playing for added texture and expressiveness. Step 5. Embrace improvisation. The beauty of blues music lies in its improvisational nature. Once you have grasped the fundamentals of writing memorable riffs, it's time to embrace improvisation as a way to unleash your creativity on the spot. Improvising allows you to connect with the moment and express yourself freely through your instrument. Practice jamming along with backing tracks or fellow musicians, exploring different scales, such as pentatonic or blues scale, over different chord progressions. As you become more comfortable with improvisation, you'll discover new ideas that can be transformed into unforgettable riffs. Conclusion. Congratulations! By following these 5 simple steps, understanding the blues genre deeply, developing an ear for melody, experimenting with chord progressions, mastering techniques and articulation, and embracing improvisation, you are well on your way towards writing memorable blues guitar riffs that will captivate audiences far beyond what words can describe. Remember that becoming a skilled riff writer takes time and practice. Don't be discouraged if not every idea turns out perfectly at first. The key is consistency in honing your skills while staying true to yourself as an artist. So grab your guitar now and start exploring this wonderful world of blues guitar secrets. Unleash your creativity and let the music speak for itself.